Internet, it's your boy DSP, and today I'm gonna show you how to make perfect rice every single time. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, if you have a rice cooker, go ahead, use it. It's a great tool. It was invented for a reason. I'm not hating on it. But a lot of you don't have rice cookers, so this is a great way to impress your friends, your family, and honestly, there's a lot of people that get paid to cook that don't even know how to cook rice without a rice cooker. So let's get right to it. Okay, so today's focus is just really on technique. I will show you other ways to flavor your rice later on in another video, but I just want you to focus on the technique today, okay? But there's good flavor in plain jasmine rice. Amongst all the rices, jasmine rice has really good aromatic flavor on its own. I recommend Mahatma. There's plenty of brands out there. This one is very common and it's cheap. So put the Mahatma jasmine rice in a bowl with some cold water over it, and immediately you see how cloudy that water got from all the excess starch in that bag. You're gonna wash with your hands. You're gonna agitate that rice. You're gonna get that excess starch off the rice and you're gonna rinse it out. Obviously keep the rice in the bowl, just rinse out the dirty water. DSP, how many times do we wash the rice? Lose that thought process. It doesn't matter how many times you wash the rice. What matters is your finish line. What matters is your goal. What matters is the quality that you're seeking. And you should wash your rice until it looks like this. Crystal clear water. It should look good enough to drink. Okay, so for this brand of rice, it's 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. I do just under 1.5 cups of water for myself. The ratio differs from rice to rice, so make sure you read the bag, okay? Set your heat to medium, high, more like high, more high than medium. How does that sound? I forgot to mention, I added a teaspoon of Morton's kosher salt. The moment we've been waiting for, the rice is starting to simmer a little bit, the water is. I put a lid on and I crank it down to very low, just above low, okay? Then I set my timer to 14 minutes. Yes, 14 minutes. All right, timer went up, the lid comes off. There's the rice, but we're not done yet. There is so much steam trapped in that rice, we have to release some of it so it doesn't overcook. Here's a very important step. I want you to take a fork, take your rice. I want you to very gently go around the edges. Ooh, and fluff the rice. Be gentle. Don't agitate all the starch. Don't make it gummy. Just very gentle. Look, I'm done. That's it. Now that's how you make perfect rice every single time. Oh, steamy in here.